Simon Ekpa is the only leader in West Africa that will stop these terrorists that are, rehabilitated and recruited by Nigerian government. Any other IPOB group persons presenting themselves to you apart from Simon Ekpa and Biafran government in exile is fake and an accomplice to the terrorist government, which is absolutely true. But this guy jumped to his Twitter, started reacting on that, calling mass number of Ghana families to know that this post is existing, that they're against IPOB and DOS. He forgot that people that is Biafrans even know who is fighting for them. That's my concern about this guy, because he keep on making this same mistake over and over again. Attack our chief of the staff, Ngozi Orabeze. He's not contented with the post of our chief of staff at all, just like he's not contented with our prime minister's post, because this guy is a follower of Biafran government in Israel more than me and you.